Hello, my name is Jeff Simcox. I'm the welding teacher here at Tennessee High. Welding is a relatively new program to Tennessee High. We started it just a few years ago, which is great because we have all new equipment and to work with. We're very well equipped, and we learn about stick welding, TIG welding, MIG welding, all the major processes. There's a lot of opportunity after high school if you enjoy it. There's two great training facilities nearby, Northeast State and TCAT, and then there's lots of job opportunities. There's over 200,000 unfilled welding jobs out there right now, just waiting on someone that can pass the test and enjoys that type of work to become employed, and it pays very well.
Hi, my name is Brian Alley. I'm a senior here at Tennessee High School. I've been in the welding program for 2 years now. I've really enjoyed just about every second of it. After high school, I'm going to TCAT in Elizabethton for welding. And then after that, I'm going to hopefully join a pipe union and weld on pipe. This class is great if you want to learn about the manufacturing industry, or if you just want a good experience, a good high school experience.